6. Powerful benefits of baking soda. Someone wished they told you sooner. Baking soda? It's that humble white powder sitting in your pantry, probably only pulled out for Christmas cookies or that classic science fair volcano. But what if I told you this everyday ingredient is a secret powerhouse for your health? That's right, sodium bicarbonate isn't just for baking, it's a multi-purpose health hack hiding in plain sight. Here are 6 powerful benefits of baking soda you'll wish someone told you about sooner. Before we get started, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our life-changing health tips. 1. Instantly neutralize heartburn. If you've ever felt that fiery burning sensation creeping up from your stomach, you know how miserable acid reflux can be. Whether it's from stress, spicy food, or overeating, heartburn is a real pain, literally. But instead of reaching for expensive antacids, try this. Dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of cold water and sip it slowly. The baking soda acts as a natural alkaline buffer, neutralizing excess stomach acid on contact and providing fast relief. It's like a fire extinguisher for your chest. 2. Supercharge your oral hygiene. Hate that burning sting from alcohol-based mouthwash? Baking soda is your gentler, more effective alternative. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with warm water and swish it around for 30 seconds. Its fine granules reach deep between teeth, scrubbing away plaque like a microscopic cleaning crew. Plus, its natural antibacterial properties kill odor, causing bacteria, freshens breath, and gently whitens teeth over time. Studies even show it can soothe painful canker sores faster than commercial rinses. A cleaner, brighter smile for pennies. 3. Soothe skin. From irritation, summer hikes are amazing until you're covered in itchy mosquito bites. For instant relief, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda into a lukewarm bath and soak for 15 minutes. The alkaline solution calms the skin's inflammatory response, stopping the itch at its source. It works wonders on bee stings, mild sunburns, and even stubborn calluses. For targeted spots, make a paste with water and apply directly. That scaly callus on your foot? Soak it in baking soda water to soften the dead skin and speed healing. 4. Boost exercise performance. Here's one athletes don't want you to know: baking soda is a legal, natural performance enhancer. During intense workouts, your muscles produce lactic acid, causing that burning fatigue that makes you quit early. Baking soda's high pH buffers this acid, letting you push harder and longer during high-intensity exercise. Mix a small amount, about 1–2 teaspoons, into water and drink it 60–90 minutes before your workout. And when you're done, pat some under your arms. Hello, natural deodorant that actually works. 5. Support kidney health. Your kidneys filter waste from your blood 24/7, but chronic kidney disease can slowly destroy this vital function. Research shows baking soda may slow this progression dramatically. In one major study, patients with CKD who took a baking soda supplement daily reduced their risk of kidney failure by 36%. By neutralizing acid in the blood, baking soda eases the burden on struggling kidneys. Important: always consult your doctor before using baking soda as a supplement, especially if you have kidney issues. 6. Ease arthritis. Joint pain. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune nightmare. Painful, swollen joints that steal your mobility. But a groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking water mixed with baking soda could help. The theory? Baking soda triggers your spleen to produce more anti-inflammatory cells while dialing down harmful autoimmune responses. Simply mix 1/4 teaspoon into a glass of water daily. While it's not a cure, many users report noticeably less stiffness and pain within weeks. There you have it. 6 reasons that 2 boxes of baking soda might be the most underrated health tool in your home. From crushing heartburn to powering your workouts, this simple compound proves that sometimes the best solutions are the most overlooked. Which benefit shocked you the most? Do you have your own baking soda hacks? Drop a comment below and share your experience with the community.